Hello, and welcome to Scalable Display Manager. In this video, we will show you how quick and easy it is to calibrate multiple projectors from separate PCs into one simple display. In the Scalable software, open the Display Clients panel. Scalable Display Manager offers the ability to set up multiple machines or media servers from a single host PC. The first step is ensuring the host PC and client machines are networked together. This panel identifies the IP addresses for all hardware connected to the system. Highlight the IP addresses associated with your display and assign them as display clients. The default device can be used for rendering, but it's not being used in this case, so we will remove it from the group after adding all of the other devices. Next, move to the projectors panel. This panel allows you to verify your projector order, layout, and resolution. When you are satisfied that your layout matches your physical setup, move to the Cameras panel. For camera selection, you need to go to the Advanced tab and select Gig E cameras. In this example, we are not using that type. In this panel, you will check the camera type, quantity, and connection. The next panel is Data Collection, where you will begin the automatic calibration sequence. Notice, we can see the screen through the camera view. Simply adjust the camera to view the entire screen, and if needed, add a second camera to ensure that all screen pixels are viewable. Once the screen is fully captured, you can select Begin Data Collection, and then the calibration will initiate. You will see a series of images: solid white, a 5-dot pattern, and a full grid pattern. The calibration sequence averages 60 seconds per projector, but it is usually less. Once the data collection is successful, move to the Screens panel, where you will select your screen shape. We will select Dome section and enter the screen parameters. On this particular dome, we are performing a dynamic perspective calibration and not an orthographic one. In the Image Boundary panel, we adjust control points around the edge of the display to anchor the image. Each camera must see at least 6 control points. In this example, we will use 7 control points around the top and the bottom of the display and align them to our physical screen markers. Notice how the image is updated in real time as I adjust the points. Once you have a good alignment, simply select Finish and view the results. Another unique capability of Scalable Display Manager is the ability to calculate view frustum for each channel based on the projector footprints. To enable this, navigate to the Perspective panel and select Generate Perspective Outputs. These frustum values represent 3D warps for a user-defined eye point location. Notice the parameters are automatically calculated, creating optimized view frusta that can be output per projector or per PC. If you run into any issues, please contact the support team. That is all we have for now. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.